In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear lower control arm on your Ram 2500. This is going to be located in the rear of the vehicle. Let's get started. Install a jack under the rear axle. Using a 21mm socket or wrench, we're going to loosen the nut for the shock. Hold the head of the bolt and remove the nut. Remove the bolt. Pull that shock forward. Using a 30mm socket, loosen the bolt. Remove the nut. Using a hammer, tap the bolt out. And finish removing the bolt. Remove the bolt. Using a 13mm wrench, remove the bracket. Remove the bolt and the bracket. Loosen the front bolt for the control arm. Remove the nut. Remove the bolt. Remove the lower control arm. Install the control arm into place. We're going to use the long bolt in the front. Get that installed, and then we'll go get the rear bolt installed. Install the bolt. I used a pry bar under the control arm to help me get the holes lined up. Install the nut. Snug the bolt down. Install the nut onto the backside. When you torque these bolts, the truck needs to be at ride height. Go to your jack, jack up just a bit until the truck suspension is where it would sit if it's sitting on the ground. Now we can torque our bolts. While holding the nut, torque the bolt to 295 foot-pounds. Do the same thing in the rear. Install the bracket and the bolt. Snug the bolt down. Get it nice and snug. Install the shock into the bracket. We're going to go up on our jack to make it easier to install. Bring the axle up to meet the shock. Install the bolt. Get the nut started on the back side. Be sure you have your suspension jacked up to ride height. Get the bolt nice and snug. Hold the nut and torque the bolt to 133 foot-pounds. Remove the jack out from under the vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.